Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Fiesta. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, there's a CD player, Bluetooth, air conditioning, cruise control. The car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a one-owner vehicle. It's got the 1-litre petrol engine that gives you 123 horsepower. The car's done under 47,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.